Welcome to TikTok Math. Got another problem for you. Today I'm recording live from my kitchen, and I don't know about you kids, but my kids at home are obsessed with things like slime and slime glitter, putty, floof even. So today we're going to show you a little recipe on how you can make homemade snow / aka floof right in your own kitchen. Hold please. So all you need is baking soda, conditioner for your hair, like regular conditioner, a cup, and of course a mixing bowl. So the ratio is 1 cup of conditioner to 6 cups of baking soda. Write that down. So a ratio of 1 to 6. Now let's see how it went. Okay, as you can see, Hayden and Sophie are going to be adding the conditioner there. And now it's time for the baking soda. That's the messy part.
I think we're making like food or something.
Now it's time to mix.
Dinner is in marshmallows.
As you can see, it turned out really well. It stayed together pretty easily. You can even cut out shapes.
Guys,
We made a snowman.
we're back.
It was easy and we are obsessed. As you can see, they had a great time. The recipe that they had was enough for about 2 kids. So it got me thinking, what if we wanted to make this recipe bigger and do it like a class size? So thinking about this, we can use our proportional relationships to try to figure out the perfect ratio of conditioner to baking soda. All right, so question number 1. What if I was trying to make this bigger and I decided to use 30 cups of baking soda? How much conditioner would I need to make that proportional and to make a bigger batch using our 1 to 6 original scale? So I repeat, if I used 30 cups of baking soda, how many cups of conditioner would I need using our 1 cup of baking soda, 1 cup of conditioner to every 6 cups of baking soda ratio? Let me know.